Okay, this is what the case looks like. They used to ship out these cases with plastic wrap on the box itself, so it's easier to sell a full case in the store. They don't do that anymore. They just have these shipper boxes, and then inside they're all loose. So you should also look for resealed boxes. If there's any vendor that's trying to sell a box that's resealed, they might have tampered with it. Because you can, if you use a scale, you can weigh them and kind of try to find the rare ones. Which, I don't mind if you're a customer and you go to a store with a scale and you're trying to find the ones you want. But if a vendor does that and then reseals the case, it's a little bit sketchy. Okay. I love the little topper right there. That is cool. These are fun. I actually really excited to open these. I don't have any yet. I haven't opened any yet. So this is my first case. This is what the case looks like. I do love these display boxes. You look at them, it just makes you really want to buy one. Awesome. Okay, I haven't looked at the odds yet. Let's see what we got. Okay, there's a lot in this set. So there's 15 in this set, which is more than a lot of sets only have 12. So I think this is going to have a lot more variety. And there's only two 1 and 6s. So there's a Bob's Burgers and a Count Chocula. I have a feeling that you'll get 2 of each of those in this case, and then just a whole selection of others. This is actually a really nice mix of them. I've done other boxes where you get just a whole bunch of duplicates and 1 or 2 rare ones. I think in this box you're going to get a lot of 1 and 12s, so they're not going to be as easy to get. I have a box in my store, only one's been opened so far. My son opened it up and he got the owl. He really wants all of them, so any duplicates I get in this box, I'm actually going to give him. Because he kind of wants a set. I want a set. These are really cool. So, I really would like the little green sprout guy. I had a vinyl figure of him growing up, so I really like him. Kool-Aid Man is cool. But I guess the Fruit Brute is the rarest one, and the little green guy is the rarest one. So I'll hopefully get one of those two. That would make my day. But they're all cool. It doesn't matter. Even the common ones, I'm really excited to get. Okay, let's open this up. Alright, in my experience, I have the horror ones in my store right now, and I think the rare ones are somewhere in the back 4. Not 100% sure if this collation is the same, but we'll find out. Okay. Okay. Medium-sized one. I'm guessing it's Count Chocula. Is Count Chocula one of the commons? Yeah. In the horror box, I think the front 2 were commons, so I'm guessing these front 2 are commons as well. Yeah, Count Chocula. Alright, let me put this on the front here. This way you can see what the rates are. I mean, Count Chocula is super cool as a character, but since he's 1 and 6, I'm going to probably end up getting multiple. So I'm assuming this one's probably another common. I really hope I get one of the 1 in 72s. It's nice when you open a box, you get one of the really rare ones out of the way. Because those are the ones, if you don't get them, you're going to have to pay like 30, 40 bucks or more of they get online. Okay. He's not short, so he's not the green sprout. Count Chocula again. I knew it. Okay. Woo. Right off the bat, it's kind of boring because it's 2 duplicates. But that's why I said in the past, the front 2 there are always the 1 and 6s. So if you see a new box at like a Target or at a Walgreens, try to avoid those in the front. In the past, I used to put the good ones in the front, but the last couple boxes, they put the cheap ones there, so they mixed it up. So in this case, at least, I think you should avoid those front 2. Unless you want the common ones. Then you can get them. Okay. Let's see what we got. I mean, I want all these. These are all cool. I'm actually happy to get any of these. I think it's the Green Giant. I'm guessing it's the Green Giant. Yeah. Ooh, he's cool. Oh, these are neat. I actually really like these. Okay, so he's a 1 in 12. So like I said, I think this box is going to give you a lot of variety in the 1 in 12s. I can't imagine them giving you... Maybe I'll get 2 Bob's Boys, but I'm assuming it's going to be more of a varied mix. I'm hoping at least. I don't... 1 in 6... That means you should get 2 of each in the box. I don't know. There might be 2 Bob's Big Boys. It'll be a little bit disappointing, but that's how it is, right? It's part of the gamble. Okay, so I suspect since I just pulled that one out, this one might be the rare one. We shall see. He has a hat, so I think it's the Bazooka Joe, I'm guessing. Oh yeah, cool. I used to love buying the 5-cent piece of Bazooka Joe at the local convenience store. You know, you get Garbage Pail Kids or Bazooka Joe. I'm talking in the late 80s. Okay, he's cool. So he's a 1 in 24. He's semi-rare. Hopefully he's not the rarest one in the box, but I'm still really happy to have him. I'm actually really happy to have that one. I want them to make a 6-inch or a 10-inch pop of him, because that would be awesome. Okay, next one. I do want the Kool-Aid Man. I'm hoping there's a Kool-Aid Man in here. And one of the rare ones. I hope 124 is not my rarest. That'll be kind of a bummer if it is. Okay, let's see. These things are always nerve-wracking. Okay, here's a lasso, so it's Twinkie the Kid. Which is 1 in 24, actually. That's actually not bad. Another semi-rare one. Sweet. Oh, he is cute. Okay, I really like that one. Okay, that's awesome. Actually, I don't mind if I get all the 1 in 24s kind of out of the way. That would actually be cool. All right. So what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Okay. I feel spiky. Is it the Fruit Brute? Is it the Fruit Brute? Yeah! Awesome! Sweet! So I got one of the 1 out of 72s out of the way. Awesome. Oh, that makes me so happy. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Alright, sweet. So I'm probably not going to get the Green Sprout. That's the one I really wanted. Because I don't think they would put 2 172s out of this case. But happy to get one of the rare ones out of the way. That is awesome. Alright. So the rest of the box, I think, let's see, I got a 1 in 12, 2 to 1 in 24s. So I feel like the rest is probably going to be 2 Bob's Boys and a couple more of the 1 in 12s. I don't think there'll be any more rarer ones in there. But we'll see. I could be wrong. This feels like... maybe Fruit Pie the Magician? Which would be cool because he's a 1 in 36. Oh no, it's Bob's Big Boy. Okay, common one. Told you there's going to be 2 in here. There's going to be another one hiding. You know it is. I'm happy to get that though. And something like that makes up for it. Because this, you probably, I don't know what it's going for, but usually the 1 in 72s are like 25 to 50 in that range. And being an ad icon, I think people will pay more for that. Okay, I wonder if the other front one's going to be a Bob's Big Boy. I wonder if they put the 2 commons in the front as well. Because I know the front 2 were 2 commons. So the bottom 2 might be 2 commons. Okay, and it's a Bob's Big Boy. I told you. So if you see a new ad icon box that's been opened, avoid those front 2. Top 2, bottom 2. Because that's where the commons are. Alright. Don't want that one. I mean, I do want that one. I just don't want another one. Okay. Alright, now I think we'll go back to... there's got to be some 1 in 12s. Lucky. Ding Dong. The... I don't know. I'm not sure which ones will be in here. I don't think there'll be any more 1 in 6s, though. Which is good, because I already got 2 of both of them. There we go. Ooh, I think it's the Kool-Aid Man. I feel like it's Kool-Aid Man. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, he is cool. I think that's my favorite one so far. Oh, I love the little icy bits on the top. That's a cool figure. That's the one I wanted the most, I think. Other than the Green Sprout of the more common ones. Okay, cool. Alright, so I think there'll be more 1 in 12s. That's my guess. Alright, let's see what we got. What we got? What do we got? Okay, he is very... Oh, he must be King Ding Dong because he feels very flat. So that's another 1 in 12. Like I said, I figured the rest were 1 in 12s, which I don't mind. Because that means you're not going to get them in every box, but maybe every other box. Ooh, he's cool. Okay, I do really like that one. These are fantastic. Okay. 2 more. I'm guessing it's going to be Lucky or maybe the Frankenberry. I think it's either Frankenberry or Lucky. I think I'll probably get those 2. The last 2 are probably Lucky and Frankenberry. Because those are 1 in 12s, which means you should get like 1 a box, basically. Not sure. He's got a little teeny round thing up here. His head feels smooth. I'm going to take him out of the bag. I can't tell who it is. Although I guess if I'm guessing Frankenberry or... Yeah, so that's probably going to be Frankenberry, since I think it's Lucky or Frankenberry. Yeah, it is Frankenberry. 1 in 12, which I'm happy to get. But pretty much if you buy a box, you're probably going to get 1 of him. And I mean, all the 1 in 12s, you're probably going to get all of them. It's really those rare ones that are going to be mixed around. Which is good, though. It means I only got 2 duplicates in this box. Okay, so I'm guessing this one is Lucky, because that's the last 1 in 12. If there's anything other than Lucky, I'll be super ecstatic. Well, unless it's a 1 in 6, but I'm assuming it's Lucky. Yeah, it feels like his hat. Yeah. I mean, I love Lucky. I love leprechauns, and I love Lucky Charms, so he's definitely a really cool one. Awesome. So, out of all of them, I got 2 rare ones. I got the Fruit Brute, which is awesome. So happy to have Fruit Brute. And what was the other rare one I got? 1 in 12, 1 in 12. I got Bazooka Joe, so he's a 1 in 24. And the Twinkie the Kid is 1 in 24. So I got 2 of the 1 in 24s and the Fruit Brute. Pretty awesome. I'm actually really happy with that. So like I said, I'll be selling unopened, untampered with cases for $70 a case, plus shipping on Mercari and probably another website like Bonanza so that I can offer it international shipping. Because I know a lot of people have been asking for it. And I ordered a ton of these, so I have plenty to go around. If you're interested in buying them, I'll put the link in the description below. If this video gets like 100 likes and 5,000 views in the first few days, and you guys want to let me know in the description below if I should open more cases, I'll definitely open up some more cases so I can try to get more from the set. I want to thank my patrons for supporting my channel. With their help, I'm able to do more videos like this more often. If you want to help support my channel as well, I'll put a link to Patreon right there. If this is the first time watching my channel and you enjoyed this mystery box open, why don't you click the robot face to subscribe? Why not? I'll make more videos like this just for you. I'm going to put a couple other mystery box unboxings right there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!